Now, moving on to different types of waves. The first type of waves are longitudinal waves. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स वो वेव्स होती हैं जो पैरेलल ऑसिलेट करती हैं टू द प्रोपगेशन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ द वेव्स. An example of this is sound waves. These longitudinal waves also have areas of compression and rarefaction. Compression वो एरिया है जहाँ पे particles are close together and rarefaction वो एरिया है जहाँ पे particles are further apart. You can see compression and rarefaction labeled in the diagram below. So in a longitudinal wave, its wavelength is basically the distance from one rarefaction to the next rarefaction or the distance from one compression to the other compression. The second type of waves are the transverse waves. Transverse waves में particles oscillate perpendicular to the propagation of waves. An example of this could be waves in a water and waves on strings. As you can see in the diagram below, the amplitude of the transverse wave is basically its maximum displacement from the mean position. And the wavelength of a transverse wave is the distance from one crest to another or from one trough to another.